Hello YouTube, today I have the FS Labs drone landing pad. This is a 36-inch version and it packs up into about 12-13 inches here into a nice case. And when you open it up, you have this here, and you got to watch out when you pop this open, it could take somebody's head off. You got the orange on one side with the white, and you have the black with the yellow on the other side. So you can choose whichever side you want to put it on. I don't know if this is luminescent. I do not think it is, but of course it's daylight out here and I can't tell right now. Now this was supposed to come with stakes, 4 stakes to hold it on, but it did not come with stakes when I got it. There was supposed to be a pouch with 4 stakes in it. I got nothing. All I got was this and the carry case. Now, one thing I've noticed, people have said they have trouble folding these things up. It's relatively easy. All you got to do is hold it on either end like this, just a little off to this side and on this edge here. And you're going to twist your hands like this. You're going to fold and tuck. And you're going to let that part fold over the other side. And then once you get it like that, you just kind of run your hands around it, the metal ring, and get it evened out, and then it fits right back into the bag. And you can just zip it back up. The more even you get those things on there, the better it fits in the bag. Now, since I didn't have any stakes with it, I'm having to use some tent stakes that I had laying around the house. So we're just going to pin this down to the ground here, because we are, see what I mean about that thing taking off somebody's head? And have a good grip on it. But we got a lot of wind here, so I'm going to have to stake this down good. And the ground is really hard, so I don't think I'm going to be able to get these stakes into the ground unless I just angle them in and just kind of pin it. Yeah, the ground's really hard. Let's get this pinned down. The stakes that are supposed to come with this thing are just some yellow 6-inch stakes that actually have a hook on it. There we go. That's pinned down, and we'll be right back with the. We're going to get a quad out, and we're going to take off and land from it and see how it works. Okay, we're back, and I just got my XK here, XK X350. And I have noticed with this thing, if you got a little space underneath it, it actually kind of levels the quad out. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing up here, take off and land a couple of times. And we still got quite a bit of wind out here. It's taking this thing off. Yeah, that wind is horrible. So now you see it's a 380 millimeter quad. It actually fits on there quite well. So it'd be nice for like the DJIs and stuff too. So I guess that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.